Hello! Today I'm going to tell you how to automatically pull data from a dataset depending on what a field in an email you're replying to contains. Let's imagine, I often receive emails from my customers who ask about the delivery dates of their purchases and want to speed up the whole process if it's possible. This is an email I want to reply to. Here's my reply, and I want to save it as a template to reuse it later on when needed. However, I'll have to change it a little bit so that the necessary delivery details can be automatically pulled from a dataset depending on a customer's order ID in the subject line. First of all, I'll create a simple dataset. Let me choose a folder for my dataset. Here it is. I'll right-click it and select New Dataset. The Shared Email Templates app opens in my default browser. The name for the dataset will be Delivery Terms. I select Simple. Into the very first column, I enter the names of 3 different destinations: Europe, USA, Worldwide. This is a key column, and all the values within it must be unique. Then I need to add a few more columns. To add a new column, I click the plus sign. The second column is for the delivery time. The third one is for an expedited delivery fee, and the fourth column is for an email field that should be checked for an order ID. I click this arrow and select regex field from the drop-down list. Then I use a drop-down available in each cell in this column to specify an email field. In my case, it's subject. And the last column is for the regular expressions, aka regexes, that will be used to find matching strings in the email subject. The regex I enter in the first cell consists of a region code EU followed by 5 digits. It will help me to check the subject field for an order ID. If the order ID contains EU, these details will be inserted into my email message. In the second cell, I enter a regex with USA as a region code and any 5 digits. So if the order ID in the subject line has USA, these delivery details will be inserted into my email. And in the third cell, I enter a regex that consists of any 2 or 3 letters except for EU and USA, and any 5 digits. This regex will help me to find an order ID in the subject line for purchases that are sent to other destinations. My dataset is ready, and I save it. Let's go back to my template. Instead of this particular delivery time and fee, I'll add 2 auto-fillable fields. These fields will be automatically populated with the time period and fee amount depending on an order ID in the subject of a customer's email. I select the delivery time that I have here, and I click the Insert Macro button. Then I choose Insert Dataset Value. The dialog window appears. I select the dataset I need, Delivery Terms, and a column with the necessary value, Delivery Time. Then I click OK. I do the same with the fee here. I only need to choose another column, Expedited Fee, and I click OK. Let me show you how it will work. I insert the template and the delivery time and expedited delivery fee intended for the USA, which is here in the customer's order ID in the subject line, automatically appear in my reply. Great, isn't it? Let's try to reply to one more customer's email. In the subject line, there is an order ID with AR as a region code, indicating that the customer's purchase is sent to Argentina. I insert my template, and the delivery time and fee for expedited delivery to worldwide destinations appear in my reply. Wonderful! Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your shared email templates!